Welcome to the kitchen. Today we do the Wellington. What is required? Big knowledge, first of all, attention to detail, and of course, techniques. We do it with our super Michelin star underground chef, not background but underground, from Nepal. Wait. Hey, good afternoon.
Ah, there's a video.
Apparently in Nepal, they do the best Wellington ever. I didn't know. Call it the Brasola Wellington. Bresaola, not Basela. Doesn't matter, his accent is really nice. What it's about actually? A good piece of steak with tenderloin, USA prime beef. Of course, our secret, I'm roasting bone marrow, blend it, brush the beef and dry age in our fridge for 10 days more or less. The question is to intensify the flavor of the meat and of course retain all the juice inside. Next, classic pancake. We do here spinach and herbs one. Bresaola or Brasola, how the chef is called it. Instead of the normal Duxelle, we do a combination between the mushroom and minced beef all around the beef. Hot pastry, of course. In this case, we do our own in our bakery department, but I believe you can skip it and you can buy. Really difficult to do it at home. A lot of attention, let's do it. What is this? Bresaola.
Basila.
Bresaola, not Basela. How?
Beef Barzila.
Beef Barzila. Okay. Good. We cover everything with Basela. Yeah? Italian Basela?
Nepali Basila.
Nepali Basela? The Bresaola is working better?
More better, yes.
Because it's not salty.
Not too salty, not watery.
Yeah. 2-layer, chef? Just to cover the meat.
To cover the meat.
Okay. Welcome to Italy. Pancake. No difficult recipe, just flour, a little bit of cream, milk, spinach, blended spinach, some herbs, salt and pepper. 2 minutes each side and done. Just cool down. How you call this?
Pancake.
Pancake is not. 1 pancake each? 2 pancake?
2.
This is mixed beef with what?
Mushroom, yet mushroom.
Wait.
Mushroom minced meat.
No. What is this?
This beef mince and chopped mushroom.
Mushroom. Okay. Okay, we are here with our chef. What's your name?
Sankar. Sankar.
Sankar. Preparing the extra filling for the Wellington. Butter mushroom with chop. Very next techniques. You cut yourself?
Yeah.
What we put inside?
Hey, Baldeep ji ke halcha no? Well, ta haina.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal, chef.
As well, another Nepali chef. That means the Wellington in Nepal is the superstar. What we do is, chef?
We grill it with the salt, pepper, then we mix it with the minced meat.
Minced beef raw.
Yes.
You agree, chef?
Yeah, I agree.
Agree. Yeah. In Nepal, they do it like this?
No.
No beef.
No.
Only buffalo.
No. No beef? Just buffalo?
No.
No beef. See the professional, perfect, equal, the best Wellington in town. Massage for half an hour is making intense the flavor.
What is this?
Beef, mushroom, and a lot of love. Yes, chef?
You know, sometimes they
Now,
make it sound
steak.
Wellington.
The superstar. Finish up?
Yes.
Yeah, we go next?
Yes.
Go. Guys, start rolling. You need to spend 100 dirham in clean film. Chiller?
Yes.
Chill.
Chilla.
After all, of course, cool down. In this case, is taking 1 day overnight in the fridge. Final step, rolling up with the puff pastry. Nice top brush and in the oven. Second day, ready? Ready?
Ready.
Even with the eggs, it's super precise. How many eggs? Buddha, but what who did engineering do it? I think they did it. Nice tool. Yeah, non a review for professional kitchen. And go. If you want the best result, don't forget the special tools. This beautiful rolling pin that we use to cut the top. Yeah, I think it's really particular. 20 dirham in Amazon, more or less, but makes the difference in look and feel. That it is, you can see the perfection. Okay? And now we go to the oven. I will show you the best Wellington brasola in the world. Actually, it's better than the Gordon Ramsay one that I test here in Abu Dhabi. Actually, I suggest to don't follow Gordon Ramsay because we make it better.